Sick of being told what to do. Say you gotta wait it out. We could buy a big house for two.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have another fall makeup look inspired. I know I said I don't like fall season, but look at me doing fall makeup look inspired. Who am I? Anyway, so today I used the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette. I haven't used this one in a long time, like a long time. And this is the makeup look that I created today. To me this looks kind of sexy. I don't know what it is. I think it's the glitter, the wing liner, maybe the lashes, maybe the colors, maybe everything put together makes this look sexy. I don't know. To me it looks hella good. Okay, so I want to try to do fall makeup looks with all the palettes I have in my makeup collection. I mean, I'm going to try to do that. So let me know down below what eyeshadow palette you want me to use in my next video, and I will do so. I mean, if I have that eyeshadow palette, obviously. I still have quite a few eyeshadow palettes, so as I said, let me know down below what palette you want me to use for my next makeup tutorial. To be completely honest, the makeups I'm going to create, they will look pretty similar because this is the theme, and also all I know to do is cut creases, halo eyes, and this type of cut crease kind of wing liner. I'm not really into smoky eyes. Yeah, they will look pretty similar, but you know, I'm going to use different palettes. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful makeup look using the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette, then keep on watching. Alright, let's do this. I actually filmed this video more than a month ago, but I haven't had time to sit down to edit because I was working. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably knew that. So because of that, I haven't posted anything on my YouTube channel, I don't know, in the last 2 weeks, so I'm really sorry for that. And I decided to start editing the videos that I already have pre-filmed. I still have a few videos that I need to film, a few clips like the outro. Anyway, so that's another story. Back to the video. As you saw, I started with the darkest shade. I still believe that's so hard, like it's so hard, but I wanted to give it another chance because since I recreated that Instagram makeup from my friend Ronnie, I kind of liked the result, and as I said, I wanted to give it another chance. And I know it doesn't look great right now, but trust the process. And actually the key to make everything look nice and diffused is the lightest shade. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to diffuse everything everything out, and then I'm going to go back with the same shades that I previously used because I want to make this a little bit more intense, a little bit more dramatic. So this is what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to cut the crease, and actually this voiceover is pointless, so I'm going to let you guys listen this cute song because it's so cute and adorable. I love it.
See through the haze. My hand is shakes. We fall from grace. Take me home. I'm living for the thrill. I know you blood on the pills. For you I'd kill. You pull the car around, told me to wait. Pray I don't mean.
Okay, back to my annoying voice. I'm doing this step because I want that eyeshadow base to stay as clean and as white as possible, because the shimmers I'm going to apply on top oh my god, stop it. The shimmers that I'm going to apply on top, I want them to look as they really are, because sometimes, you know, you mix some colors and they don't look how you expected. So trust me, it's worth it, that little extra step. And then I'm going to go with this beautiful shimmery matte. I don't know, it's a weird texture because not texture, formula. If you use a fluffy brush, you won't make that shimmer to stay on the lids, but if you use a flat brush like I'm using right now, you will make the shimmer stay on the lids. Trust me, I know, it's weird. And then I forgot to apply the shimmer on top because I used another shade. And this is a clip of me doing that, like when I almost finished filming this video. So I was doing my close-ups and stuff and I realized I forgot to apply the shimmers. Anyway. Oh my god, you guys, I just realized that I forgot to apply the shimmer on this eye. You guys see that? It looks a little bit different. I mean, it's still sparkly on this eye. What? Anyway, I'm going to do it right now. What? This eye? Everybody now wants you, my love, and I know that you want them to, my love, my. It's a lie, I got you every time. Okay, better now. So that's that on that. Let's just pretend I have that beautiful shimmer on. Next, I'm going to take this small brush with the same eyeshadow base and I'm going to perfect those lines because I'm going to go with glitter on top. And this has no pigmentation, it's just pure glitter. And I had to do a few coats to make it show, as you can see here. Next, I'm going to continue with the same colors and I'm going to do that, I don't know how you call it, like the end of my eye to make it look nice and sharp. Very quick, I'm going to do the bottom lash line, and as you can see, again, I'm starting with the darker shade, then I'm going to continue with the other colors. And can you guess what color I'm going to do on my lips? Can you guess? Can you guess? Shocker! I'm going to use a nude lipstick. What's new, right? But you know what? I'm not even sorry. Anyway, don't forget to highlight the brow bone, and I guess that's it. Okay, bye!
Pray I don't meet you at the pearly gates. Now there's no way back. At least we got all this cash. No way back. At least we got all this cash. We count our money by the fire escape. You pull the 45 behind your waist.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I love how this turned out. Like, I don't know what I did, but it looks so nice. So guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know down below what eyeshadow palette you guys want me to use in my next tutorial. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.